Communications Foundation for Asia is confident that they can manage visitor influx. Crowd control used to be a challenge for the Facilities Management Department of the Communications Foundation for Asia, but it is now manageable as asserted by the department head. The CFA regularly hosts over 100 visitors, especially during TV show filming. The CFA compound is a popular shooting location for Philippine TV series such as Maria Clara at Ibarra, Ang Probinsyano, Batang Quiapo, High Street, and many more. In addition, the CFA provides facilities for conventions, meetings, workshops, and social events such as wedding receptions and birthday parties. A coffee shop within the compound also attracts visitors, including students, professionals, and individuals from various organizations. According to Ms. Aurora Celada, also known as Tita Au, the head of CFA's Facilities Management Desk, there are no restrictions on the number of visitors per day. However, to manage the crowd, access to certain areas within the compound is restricted. For safety and security, the CFA's security personnel issue visitor passes to those inquiring about the CFA's facilities. During scheduled events, the security personnel maintain an updated list of expected guests. The CFA has expressed confidence in its ability to manage the surge of visitors in a day, but its limited parking space for visitors has posed a challenge until now.